Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Well, today we start a brand new week. It's actually going to be the end of June and the start of July, but we start the week with some really interesting news, which is that pending home sales in the month of May were really high. Well, is that really a surprise though? Because I mean, in April, people were now shopping, people weren't as confident about when things are going to reopen, so this really shouldn't come as a surprise, but the market's acting like it's this huge surprise. So it really shouldn't be a huge surprise. And here's the other thing I'm going to say. Sorry for the mild rant, but here's the deal. Yeah, of course it's going to outpace any other pending home sale month in history because we just had one of the largest plummets in pending home sales in history the month prior. So the big deal really isn't that big of a deal. And here's the other thing, is that we just didn't know when it was going to happen. So the fact that it happened, the biggest plunge in pending home sales in April and the biggest recovery in May, it could have been May and June. It could have been June and July. It could even be another one coming down the line. What's really going to be the telltale point of this whole story is going to be down the road when we see how many more active listings come in the market because we have now an inventory squeeze. So it's really good that pending home sales are going in the right direction, but we still have more buyers than we have listings to sell the buyers. So that's what I want you to leave with today. If you are looking to buy, you're going to be faced and met with multiple bids on offers because inventory is low. As this story communicates, is there were a lot of people that came off the sidelines and back into the market in the month of May to buy a house. And that's a really good sign. It's going to help aid with recovery, but it is a reflection of multiple things. Number one, it probably reflects some of the pent-up demand from April that didn't get satisfied that's now getting done in May. It probably is a combination of people that are just looking to buy in May because they were planning on that anyways. And then you also have the rush of people looking to move from their highly densely populated small little apartments or condos or impacted metro cities into the suburbs and the outskirts of towns. So all those things are creating a wave of momentum to this surge in pending home sales. So I'm surprised. I'm not surprised. I don't think you really should be surprised either. Yeah, it's great news, but it's kind of expected news too. So this week, keep your eyes open for any other major headlines, but you shouldn't see a change in interest rates. They should remain very low. You shouldn't see any broad sweeping, overarching massive change from Fed policy or Fed speak this week. Just watch what employment does, watch what the rate market does, and if you have not yet refinanced your house, I don't know what to tell you to do because this is the time. Have a great week, and we'll see you again next week.